Phone calls, Hamas tactics, and special helicopters, Israeli hostage-free operation in which anything can happen at any time. Confirmation of the death of Al-Qassam Brigade commander Muhammad Al-Zaif, who were the warriors with 9 lives. Abdul Muttalib's prayer, Ababil's attack, and the place of punishment, the story of Abraha's battle of the Kaaba. Collision between a plane and a helicopter in Washington. The passenger plane was doing everything right. The helicopter was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Shahbaz Sharif is too late. What will be Tehreek-e-Insaf's strategy after ending the negotiations? 14-year-old girl killed for making objectionable videos on Tik Tok. Hara made Abu sounds. A man who burned a Quran in Sweden was shot dead during live streaming. Canada accuses India of influencing domestic elections. India denies and hits back. Rebels and warriors of the past, figures who left the field of war and entered the field of politics. Trump administration's decision to stop U.S. aid, how Pakistan will be affected.